Here at the eSIM Studios, we've made a ton of videos detailing loads of exclusive Google Pixel 8 series leaks already thanks to our tipster on the inside. One missing piece of the puzzle is pricing, but another leaker may have given us some insight. Our tipster gave us the news late this night, claiming that the vanilla Google Pixel 8 model will retail for $649 for the 128GB version and possibly $699 for the 256GB model. By comparison, the base Pixel 7 sets you back $599 for the base 128GB model, so we're looking at a $50 price hike at the bare minimum. This price increase, if it confirmed, would be a little disappointing but not unexpected. Samsung and Apple offered global price hikes for their recent high-end phones, although they stuck to the same pricing in the US. Google also brought a price hike to the Pixel series, as the $449 Pixel 7a is $50 more expensive than the 6a. Pixel 8 specs, and these are largely in line with our exclusive leaks. However, the tipster also noted that Google is bringing an ultrasonic fingerprint scanner to the phone. This would be a major upgrade over the Pixel 7 line's optical scanner, bringing accuracy and speed improvements in theory. This wouldn't be the first time we've heard about an ultrasonic scanner potentially coming to the series, as a prototype with the tech was spotted back in October. But this upgrade is looking more likely now. Otherwise, the tipster says we've got a Tensor 3 processor, a 6.17-inch 1/1 LED panel, 8GB of RAM, 128GB or 256GB of storage, a dual rear camera system including a 50-megapixel Gen 2. With image stabilization and 12-megapixel ultra-wide sensor, an 11-megapixel selfie camera, a 4,485 mAh battery, 24 watts wire charging, and 12 watts wireless speeds. Nevertheless, between inflation, a Pixel 7 price hike, and a few outstanding of upgrades, that being the 50-megapixel main camera, a 120Hz refresh rate, a bigger battery, and ultrasonic fingerprint scanner, we can understand why there'd be a price increase. But we hope this hike is kept to a minimum of $50. Either way, the Pixel 8 will get the proper upgrades to place it close up in the flagship status. And that is okay, Google. This is what we have been asking for. We desperately need a big and small flagship from Google. Thank you for viewing the video. Please subscribe to the eSIM Studio YouTube channel, as we'll be hot on the trail for you in regards to getting the pricing details for the larger Pixel 8 Pro. It should be around the same price as last year's Pixel 7 Pro at $899. But once we catch word of the leaked pricing details, we will bring them to you. Don't forget, we activated memberships for all our hardcore fans out there, as well as the custom printed merchandise in the shop section. Buggy both for lasting. Mark your calendars for October, as we will be live streaming the launch of the Google Pixel 8 and Pixel 8 Pro. We out.